I'm going to do a quick video demonstration of the Verizon Pre Plus GPS issues. I'm going to launch an app here called GPS Trip Panel, and all it does is start tracking. It tries to find the GPS, and you can see that it's just not going to lock on. We'll give it a moment here. And this will just sit here spinning for hours and hours if you let it. So we're going to minimize this, and we're just going to show what's going on here. You can see I'm going to try and launch the GPS Fix plugin, which is a custom application that I put together that mimics the functionality of the Verizon GPS navigator system. And it just launches. It runs some of the code bits and runs in the com.palm.app namespace, so it has permissions to all of the private functions. You'll see it'll close itself here in just a couple seconds. We'll come back over here to the trip panel. You'll see that it's still starting up GPS. Cannot get a fix. So that app is now closed. It just launches, runs the code, and fixes itself. This one here is VZ Navigator. It's the exact same code as the real Verizon Navigator application. It just has a slightly different app ID. It's com.palm.app.vznavi, and you can see the app loads. Everything seems to work just fine. We're going to decline the purchase here. We'll bring this back up. You'll see that it still will not get a GPS lock. So now we're going to launch the real Verizon Navigator. Takes a second here. You can see it comes up with the purchase offer. We're going to decline. It's going to close itself. We're going to launch this up, and now this will get a lock here in just a second. See? Signal strength medium. We'll let this run for another second. And now it starts coming up with real coordinates, and it'll get a higher accuracy. I am indoors where it won't get much of a signal, but you can see that the second Verizon Navigator was launched, the application started to function properly.